StockHolding Corporation of India Limited was authorized by the Government of India, Ministry of Finance, Department of Economic Affairs to design and operate the Computerized Stamp Duty Administration System CSDAS or e-stamping as Central Record Keeping Agency CRA for collection of stamp duty in India. This marked the beginning of a revolution, eliminating traditional complications associated with physical stamp paper. We are excited to introduce this game-changing service in vibrant state of Goa. E-stamping service that is set to streamline your stamp duty payment. You can pay stamp duty in Goa through authorized stamp vendors and sub-treasury offices. With e-stamping, you will enjoy safety, security and convenience, system availability round the clock, online verification. From property registrations to lease agreements, e-stamping is your trusted partner. You can now easily verify your e-stamp certificate through quick steps on both our e-stamping mobile app and website. Just download the e-stamping app. Once installed, you can verify your e-stamp certificate by clicking on the scan button. Next, we scan the 2D barcode printed on the certificate and review all the details shown on your mobile screen. You can also verify e-stamp certificate through the StockHolding website. All you need is to visit our website and click on Verify e-stamp certificate. Choose your state and enter the e-stamp certificate number, date and session ID. Click Verify to view the details and match them with the printed information. It's that simple. Trust StockHolding for all your e-stamping services with efficiency, security, simplicity. Get started today. Visit our website at www.shillstamp.com or download the e-stamping mobile app now.